Hello guys, good morning. I can't believe it's still the morning time honestly because it feels like I have been on my computer on the couch for like 6 hours now because this morning I got a bunch of emails because I've just spent literally like the last for what felt like 4 hours doing some reshoots as well as last minute editing and uploading. I feel like a lot of people who are not a content creator don't really see this side where we spend hours re-editing or reshooting a couple content that the brand has requested. So for example, yesterday I filmed my Skims collab just because the package arrived here late. But that means that I literally had like less than 24 hours to shoot the content and turn it to the brand for approval. And I feel like if it were a reel, it would be a lot easier to shoot and edit it. But because it was a YouTube video and I have to like import everything to my laptop, edit it, and then also upload it on YouTube, I feel like that takes a little bit more work than just like editing on my phone. So that took a while for me to do yesterday, but I was able to give to my manager on time for him to like send it to the brand for approval. But then this morning I got the feedback from Skims and they love the content. However, there were a couple minutes of the clip where the lighting just was off. Like I honestly had a feeling, but when I was editing it I was like, oh, it actually kind of looks fine. But the team at Skims were like, oh, is it okay if you reshoot these and have these to us by end of day? And I was like, oh, that's a lot of work, especially because like I'm kind of like, even though like I'm only refilming that specific portion of the video, it's still a lot to kind of like import, edit it in, export, and then upload it to YouTube. But never say never with me. I love a challenge. So I filmed that this morning and I went ahead and edited. I've been literally like sitting on this couch for the last 2 hours trying to edit a 4-minute clip, you guys. A 4-minute clip. Like 4-minute clip is not long at all, but trying to like pick the best parts within that 4-minute clip is probably like the hardest in my opinion. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. And then I also got another email regarding feedback from my MoneyGram UGC content, and once again they love it. However, I needed to not really refilm, but I needed to film an ad read of the same video, but just like in a YouTube format. So a YouTube format is the one you're seeing right now, so like a horizontal format versus a reel where it is going to be vertical. Like I can just like film it on my phone. And when they first asked for that reshoot, I thought they meant like the original video, but just like turn it into like a YouTube format. But they're like, no, we actually want you to like refilm a new one and then film it in this format, if that is making any sense at all. So I did that this morning and then I have yet to edit that. And then literally 5 seconds ago, I just got an email with my manager CC'd on it, or with me CC'd on it, regarding feedbacks or edits about my content. So I have to edit my reel. I just have to cut close-ups of the shoes, and then I also have to edit my UGC video, which are the two content that I had sent to them. I was honestly kind of getting nervous because I was like, oh my god, like I go back to LA pretty soon, like I hope they get back to me. So just in case I do need to reshoot any of them at the beach, like at least I'm still here, you know, because I can't do that right now in LA, especially with like Malibu. So yeah, like if anything, I wanted to like refilm any of the content in Hawaii, but luckily no reshoots needed. I just need to kind of like edit out a couple of things in my real video and then in my UGC video. So that's what we're doing. I'm also currently waiting for my video for Skims to export. But yeah, like I said, I can't believe it's only 11:30. I feel like I've just been sitting here for like hours on end and it feels like 3 p.m. but it's not. So anyway, I'm just waiting for those. Maybe I'll do like my reels right now while we're still here. If you guys are wondering on what I use to edit my reels, I use CapCut. So when they took CapCut for us for like 12 hours, I was panicking because CapCut, I would say, is like the easiest app to edit your reels or TikTok. Like outside of the TikTok app, I feel like it's almost equivalent to Final Cut Pro as far as like there's so many things that you can do, edit and add and all that stuff. I'm so happy that CapCut is back because it is my work, because it literally has like all my work stuff. Oh my goodness, I almost deleted everything. But yeah, I think I'll work on this while my video is currently exporting. I'm going to upload that. Some days all my content get approved on the first round, and then sometimes they're like, can you edit these? Can you edit these? Which is fine. I'm not complaining. Here's the email where they've outlined what I need to edit in my video. So we're working on the UGC first. This is my UGC for anthropology, and I love when they like give specific like time frames because that saves me so much time, you guys. So in here, they're like, really like this, think it's clean and will perform well. Only note, would love to cut it down a bit, suggest cutting the following clips. So we have 3 different clips to edit out, and the time frame is usually up here. So I go to 07, so you can zoom in. I believe it's this clip right here that they want to cut out. So 07 till the 10th. So I think that's might be the last one, or this. Delete, and then I think this one. Delete. And then 22. So 22 to 25. So this 38 to 39. This is my Skims collab, which I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. So I basically went ahead and edited this till basically the end. There's a few highlights. Alright guys, hello, welcome back. My favorite from their swim shop. I own so many of this, but just in different colors. Honestly, at this point, I collect them like infinity stones. Alright, one edit done, which is my UGC for anthropology. Another reason why I love CapCut is you can also access it on your desktop. So I downloaded the app on my desktop, and as you can see, I have a few projects here already. And for my anthropology reel, I went ahead and edited on my desktop so it's easier. And because the music wouldn't like airdrop to my phone, which is very weird, but we can go ahead and actually maybe I'll edit it here because I can see the time frame and just reel. So basically they just like asked for me to remove all the shoe close-ups. So this one was one of them, so just delete. The other one was this one. I think there's another one here. This one, and then this one. And that's basically all the edits they've asked. And now I'm gonna go ahead and export this quality. And then save to device, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna airdrop this to my laptop once it's done exporting. Literally, I'm forever thankful for airdrop because it makes sharing like anything, pictures, videos, whatever, from your phone to your laptop. So I feel like the reshoots are not that hard, especially if you're just like using the same content but you're just like cutting out pieces. And try that here. I have officially finished doing all my work that I need to submit today. Honestly, like one of them didn't need to be submitted till Monday, but I wanted to just go ahead and finish it. I've been on the couch for maybe like 6 hours now, and I decided to go walk around Target. And who was gonna tell me, I mean, we all knew that Target has so many cute stuff, but who was gonna tell me that one, their swimmer was buy one get one half off today, and number two, they had so many cute items that I just really couldn't help myself. And I feel like I'm running out of bikinis on this strip. Can we talk about this cherry triangle bikini top? Oh my goodness, I am in love. As soon as I saw this on the display, I was like, you're coming home with me. We have all these cherry embroidery on it, and it's a triangle bikini, so it wraps around your neck. And then I had to get the matching bottom, which is like this plain white with a red tie, and then it has the cherry embroidery on the left side. So also for my girlies out there that don't like bikini bottoms that doesn't have a lot of coverage, I would say that this is a medium coverage, so this might be your liking. I love the denim look, and we have this gingham little bow in the middle, and it has a wire, so it'll definitely give you like a little cleavage moment. I got this in a size extra small. You can adjust the back end. I believe there's like 3. Oh wait, no, you cannot. Wait, I have to try this on. I thought you can. No, you can. There's 3 adjustments that you can do, and the straps are also adjustable, so that's super cute. And then I got the matching bottom, and this was only $18, so I think this was like the half off. But this is by the brand Wild Fable, and it's so stinking cute. Up next, I have this yellow matching set. I typically don't go for yellow, but when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, like maybe I should try it, especially because like now that I'm tan. It has the same kind of like structure as the jean denim bikini, but this one has a, what do you call this? Eyelet? I think it's called an eyelet pattern. It comes with padding. I love the little scalp detailing, the bow, adjustable straps. Again, you can like adjust this 3 times. And then kind of like the same idea for the bottom, just like in a different material and color and style. We have a crochet top, and it is going to give you a little bit of a push-up moment. Straps are adjustable. You also can adjust the back 3 different levels. And then for the matching bottom, it's just like this plain one. I wish their bottoms were a little bit more cheeky, but honestly, for the days that like I can't be wearing cheeky bottom. Up next, I saw these like workout sets, and I had to get them because they're just so cute. First things first, I got this baby blue sports bra. And it crisscrosses. It doesn't have a lot of support, so I feel like this is nice for yoga or just Pilates, like nothing running. Luckily, I found the last size extra small of their bottom. The matching bottom, you just have like this white and light blue contrast, and it crisscrosses on the waistline. I think it's so cute. This is also something I didn't get to try because the fitting room was closed, but the sports bra though, it fit really nicely. And then I got it in this black color because I feel like I don't have a lot of black sports bras or sets in general, so I just got this the same size extra small. Also, I didn't know that like Target gives away the whatchamacallit, the hangers. Now I have so many hangers. And then I just got the matching extra small leggings. I love the little contrast or color block. I think it's so cute. Up next, I have these tank tops. They were like $5, and I love me a basic plain tank tops from Target. This is by the brand Wild Fable, and it's just a spaghetti strap. It's crop top, perfect for like traveling or with short shorts, and I got it in the color white. And then also this gray one here. I would say that it has like a thicker front than the back. Like it's not padded or anything, but you can tell it like it's a lot thicker, so it's not really see-through. Last but not least, I saw this, and oh my goodness, I was like, you are coming home with me. It is like this plaid short shorts with this bow on the side, and I think it's just the cutest thing ever. And yeah, those are all my Target haul. I'm gonna go ahead and film a reel because I feel like these are worth sharing on TikTok and Instagram. So yeah, anyway, I will link all of these down below. Anyway, back to work. I just uploaded this video with Skims. I love working with Skims, and I always work with them on their bikinis, like during the spring and summertime. So I'm so excited for this. I also included my hair transformation in this video, which is super random. Doing my appointments first things first in the mornings. This one is from Lawless. I'm doing a UGC brand deal with them, and I didn't expect it to arrive this quickly, but they're almost nearly open. But we have the Forget the Filler Lip Plumbing Line Smoothing Gloss, and we have it in this baby pink color. This is in the shade Milkshake. I feel like this one's a little bit more nude. The middle one is like mauve pink. Next one is from Matrix. This is the Food for Soft shampoo and conditioner. I actually just messaged my manager regarding this campaign, and I told him I wasn't gonna do it anymore with L'Oreal Matrix because I wasn't sure if it was gonna arrive here on time, but it just got here. So I can do it today. I can fill it today. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, but I got it. I need to text my manager about that, okay? Be right back. Here.